Hello and welcome to this video. In today's video, I want to show you how you can add a thumbnail to your YouTube video. Okay, maybe you have a channel and you create videos but you don't know how to add your thumbnail to your video. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Now, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, I want to say welcome to this channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that can help you to make money for yourself and grow your business. Okay, so before I go into the video proper, I need you to kindly do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to the video, and make sure you turn on your notification bell. You're doing that so that when I put out another video, you will be notified. All right, let me take you into my YouTube studio and show you how to add your thumbnail to your video. Okay, now if you don't know, thumbnails are pictures, okay, pictures that you can actually use to attract people to your video. For instance, let me show you what a thumbnail looks like. When you go onto YouTube like this, you start seeing things like this. You start seeing things like this. Okay, you start seeing things like this. What you're seeing right now, you know, are thumbnails. Okay, this is one of the factors that will make people to want to watch your videos when they see this kind of thing. Okay, this is a thumbnail. You can design this for yourself and attract people to your video. So I'm going to show you how to add this to your video right now. So to do that, first of all, you have to make sure that you have YouTube Studio. Okay, YouTube Studio. Now this is what YouTube Studio looks like. Look at it here on the on your screen. Okay, this is YouTube Studio. For you to have that, you just go to your Google Play Store. All right, go to Google Play Store and you come here and type YouTube Studio. Okay, YouTube Studio. All right, make sure you download it to your phone. Once you download it, then you can find it in your phone like this one you're seeing now. Okay, I already have it. All right, so you download the app to your phone, and once you download the app to your phone, before you come and add your YouTube thumbnail, okay, before you add a thumbnail to your video, it's expected that you should have designed the thumbnail on Canva. Okay, you can also use other tools to design this, but I use Canva. Okay, if you want to learn how to design your thumbnail, I'll drop a link in the description where you can find that video. All right, so what you are going to do is to make sure that you have designed the thumbnail first before you come and add it to your video. Now let's add a thumbnail to one of my videos so you see how we do it. All right, I've already designed this thumbnail that we want to add right now. I've designed it already. So for us to do that now, I'll come into my YouTube Studio. All right, I'll come here and I'll pick a video that I have done before. One of my videos I've done before. I'm going to change the thumbnail. Okay, so I just want to use that to show you how to add your thumbnail. So what you're going to do right now is to come to the video. Let me search for the video. It's one of my oldest videos. All right, so just follow me. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, let me just search for it. Okay, it's coming. Now I'm going to pick this one that says how to create an ebook in 10 minutes. Okay, how to create an ebook in 10 minutes. That's the one I want to change. So when you finish uploading your videos, the first thing is to design the thumbnail, and then you have uploaded the video. When you upload your video is going to be like something like this. It's going to be like something like this. Okay, it won't have a thumbnail. So it is your duty to come and add the thumbnail. All right, when you upload the video, this is what it will look like in your YouTube Studio. All right, now let's add. Follow me now. Let's add the video. Let's add the thumbnail. Okay, so I'll come to this one that has how to create an ebook in 10 minutes. So you click on it once, right? You click on it once, and then you come to the top here that has this button here. You click on this one you're seeing here that looks like a pencil. You click on it. Okay, once you click on it, it's giving you the option now to edit. You come to the left side, top left side, you can see that same pencil icon. You click on it again once. When you click on it once, you can see this now. It's showing you change. Can you see change here? It's saying change. So I'm going to click on change. So once I click on change, it will take me into my phone, my gallery, wherever I have saved the thumbnail. And then all you need to do is to pick your thumbnail. So I'll just pick this one that you see here. I'll click on it once and it's going to come here. Are you seeing now? Once I'm done with this, I'll just come and click on done. You can see on the top right, you see done. I'll click on done. And once I click done, I'll come here and say save. Okay, are you seeing? Make sure before you save, you have set your visibility on public. Okay, make sure you check everything. Once you are set with everything and you're sure that the thumbnail is okay and your description is okay and everything is okay, all you need to do is to come to the top right and click on save. So I'll click on save right now, and once I click on save, the thumbnail has been added. Now let's go and check what the thumbnail looks like. Now you can see what it looks like. So this is what people are going to be seeing on the video. Are you getting it now? Now let's go to the thumbnail and see what it looks like. Can you see? It has changed. Are you seeing it now? It has changed. So this is how to add a thumbnail to your videos. Okay, I believe you got value from this. If you got value from this, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I post another video, you will be notified. Now, if you want to join my paid mentorship group where you can learn other things about how to make money online, you want to learn how to sell your knowledge, how to package it, sell it as a digital product, you can join my paid mentorship group for just $1, and you have access to my paid mentorship group. All right, if you want to gain access to that, just check the pinned comments in the comment section. Check the pinned comments or the link in the description. I'm going to drop all of that in the description. All right, that is all I'm going to take for this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.